I started InBooze in October of 2018, so I'm officially 2 years old now, and I just wanted a simpler way for people to enjoy cocktails at home. Each pouch, which they all come in a little pouch, there's a little bag in here that contains categorized fruits, spices, and herbs. You infuse at least 2 cups of alcohol at a time. It takes about 3 days, and after it's infused, you can make your cocktails as normal. So you just pair it with a sparkling water or a Sprite or something that you prefer, and it just makes it really easy. And so that's one of the things that has just been really fun for me to see how everybody is using it this year, now that things have changed a little bit. I knew that I could turn to the MSU Product Center and they had my back, and it's just such a great resource for my business. You can change things as it goes, but you just have to run forward and go for it. If I would have waited until InBooze was perfect, even the packaging was not perfect when I first started it, but it's evolved throughout the years, and that's all that matters. If you have an idea, you just have to run with it. It's kind of scary sometimes, but you kind of learn as you go and you can make it work. I would like to thank the Michigan State University Extension and the MSU Product Center for this award for me and InBooze, and just all my hard work is being recognized, which is amazing. You don't always expect it, but it's just one of those things that put a smile on my face. I've just been so excited since I heard the news. So thank you, thank you, thank you.